It's the holidays, and here are top 3 boot camps that can transform your season. Welcome to today's episode of Tech Buzz. I am Alfred. At number 3 on our list, we have VSONET, a summer boot camp in Lagos, Nigeria, equipping youths with essential tech skills through hand-on trainings, real-world projects, and industry mentorship. So if you know you're looking for good industry mentorship and real-world projects, VSONET is for you. Coming in at number 2, MELODIA. Melia specializes in software development and job placement. They recruit and prepare individuals to become coding experts, providing the necessary training and support to ensure in the tech industry. So yeah, if you know you want to be successful in the tech industry, Melia is for you. At the top of our countdown today is Hightech Center. Hightech Center actually boasts of 20 years of experience in the tech industry. They are renowned for their extensive expertise and contributions to technological advancement, making them a leading institution in the field. So if you know you're good in tech, or if you know you're not good, just come to High Center Tech. They come with great packages. They have campers and they have non-campers. They have optional courses and they have compulsory courses. When I was checking up on them, it was like really good. So what are you still doing on that bed? What are you still doing at home? Come outside and add the tech skill to your resume and thank me later. Don't forget to share your opinions on the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and follow us across all social media. My name remains Alfred, and peace.